If you find yourself low on computer memory or lot of memory or RAM is being cached by your system, then worry not guys. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can free up your computer memory or RAM such that it can be utilized in required operation. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will see how you can optimize your PC by freeing up your RAM. For that, let's open Google Chrome here, and now we need to type Windows PC Manager, and this tool is completely free and from Microsoft, which kind of give you trust since this product directly come from Microsoft. And guess what, it is completely free, and it not only give you tool to optimize your PC memory, but gonna give you other tools as well. For example, health checkup, deep clean, and removing temporary file. And these are a few options available in this software, but we would like to go specific here. But here we will talk about how we can free up RAM here. Now here you need to click on download, and then you need to open it in your Microsoft Store. And then here you will get option to install it. Since I already have installed it, that's why it is showing me option to open it. Now after you install this software, you simply need to click on open, and there we go. It looks like this, and then here I can see the amount of memory my system is consuming is 33%. And let me actually close this, and here you can see my task manager, which you can again bring it back by pressing Windows and R, and then here we can type task and then MGR, which stand for manager. And there we go. Here we can see the task manager now again appeared. Let's click here on performance, and then here we can see the amount of RAM is being consumed. So here I can see the amount of RAM in use is 20 GB, and the amount of RAM is free is 42.6. Although in system I don't think so, that's even still this is a problem. But let's say when we do not have enough resources, then this tool can be pretty handy. Let's click on boost, and there we go. Here we can see the first change here we saw is deletion of 10 GB of data. And then here we can also see the change in memory uses. So we saw slowly we reduce the memory consumption from 33% to 23%. And then here we can see the available RAM is 49 GB, and then the in use RAM is just 14 GB, which is really nice to have. Now there are other options also available. For example, you can set smart boost, that will automatically boost your PC when high uses of RAM is there, or you have accumulated 1 GB of temporary file. So I'm gonna keep it on so that we do not need to manually click on boost. So in this way guys, we can free up our RAM, optimize our system using free tool PC Manager. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.